Alright, here we go again, part 3. In circle O, the angle TRQ is 30, the measure of arc UT is 53, and this is actually diameter. Find the arc from T to Q. Well, what's interesting about this is I know this whole thing adds up to 180, so I know this part's 53, so I know that this thing plus this thing has to be the rest with 180. So what's left with 180 there is a total of that's 53, 60, 127. Oh, come on, don't do this to me. I need to put a 2 right in here. Okay, good, got it. Alright, so that's 127. These two have to add up to 127. And I know that when I take this one minus this one divided by 2, it becomes 30. So let's call this one, since it's the big, since this is the little one, let's call this one x. Let's call this one 127 minus x. And I know that 127 minus x minus x, when I divide that by 2, I should get 30. So 60 ought to be 127 minus 2x. So 2x ought to be 127 minus 60. Oh, I have a nice decimal again. So x is 33 and a half. In fact, I think I've had 33 and a half on this thing before. Oh, let me do a decimal. Thank you. And this is 127 minus 33 and a half. Or, oh, let me do this here. This is 33 and a half. No, it's not. That's not what we're asking for there. T to Q is what we're asking for, which is 127 minus 33 and a half, which is, oh gosh, help me, 127 minus 33 and a half. I really, this is faster. All right, 93.5. Laugh if you want. Okay. 93.5. Okay. I might as well write that here too. 93.5. US, I already did. That's 33.5. Can I do it at the same time? And Q to T to R. Q to T to R. That's an angle. Oh, yeah, that's an angle we don't have yet. Q to T to R. Well, I know. I think the easiest way to do this might be to split this in half. I'm going to start in the middle so I can draw that. I know that this angle is 53. This is 33.5. So I know what this central angle is here. 53 plus 33.5 is exactly, and it looks like 90, but it's not. It's 88.5 right here. Because that's the measure of all of this. And that central angle is right here. If I know the 88.5 and the 30, I can know what this angle is out here to make 180. 88.5 plus 30. Subtract that from 180. And I know that's 61.5. Okay. So this angle right here is, from here to here, is 61.5. Okay. And I do that because I think I can figure out this pretty easily too. If that's 88.5, I know that, again, I'm looking for QTR, so I'm looking for this whole big thing out here. I can figure, if this is 88.5, this is 89, 90, 180. This makes 180 this way, right? And then I can figure out in the big triangle if this is 30. Oh, wait a sec. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I can get this angle in here. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I can get that angle in here. I can just kind of highlight this with the yellow halo that I can't see right now, but you can see it. This angle here intercepts the 88.5, so this has to be half of the 88.5. Oh, yuck. This is exactly... Can I... it's going to be 44. Try to divide 88.5 divided by 2, which is going to be 44 and a quarter in this little thing right here. That little angle is 44 and a quarter. Weird. Okay. So in the big triangle QTR, I have 44 and a quarter, I have 30, and I have the rest of this that makes 180. I can figure that. Actually, this 61.5 wasn't helpful. I had to find the whole thing anyway. Okay, so I have 180 minus 44 and a quarter and 30, and I'm left with the angle I need, which is going to be 105.75. 105.75. Okay, yeah, the 61.5 turned out to be meaningless. Sorry about that. Okay. Just thought of another way we could have done QTR. QTR is the same as QTU. And QTU intercepts an arc that goes from here. Whoa, I didn't mean to do that. Intercepts an arc that goes from here all the way around to U. And I can figure out that arc, and I can cut that in half, and I should get 107.75. That would be the whole circle minus the 53 and the 93.5. Get that rest of that part out here, divided by 2, and hopefully that's 105.75. Okay. Is that it? Oh, look, that's it. Okay, end of part 3. And I was right then when I guessed that there was going to be 3 parts to this. I'll upload this, I'll upload the answers, and I'll see you on Monday at the test.